Okay, Sammy, you're 5 years old today.
Huh?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yep, yes
Oops.
it is. Okay.
Happy birthday, dear Sammy. Happy birthday
not yet,
to
not yet.
you. Not yet. Okay, we'll start over.
Wait until it's lit.
Okay, I got too excited.
Yes. Okay. There we go.
Okay.
Happy birthday
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sammy. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
And many more.
Blow.
Okay, blow the candles.
Woo!
You got it! Yay!
How did I get all of them?
You got all of them.
Yay! Let's take it off.
Now take off so we can eat.
Okay, good job.
The red. I want
Hot wax, hot wax, hot wax. Okay.
hot wax.
Igor, take a knife.
Mommy,
Okay.
that was awesome.
Yay, Sam, wave to the camera. Wave. Hi, you're 5 years old now.
I'm 5.
You're 5. Yay.
I'm 2.
Yes, you are 2.
She's
Good
gonna
girl.
be 5 in 1 week.
She's gonna be 3.
Yeah. 2 in 1 week.
No, in 2 months she'll be 3.
Yeah. Yeah. A bush
Yay. Okay.
She will be straight. Yeah, cake.
Cake. Okay. I'm going to go cut it, Sammy.